This is question number 12 from our fraction word problem workbook. The question is saying 3/7 of the students in the school are boys. There are 130 more girls than boys in the school. And he continues by saying 1/5 of the girls have short hair. Part A is asking how many girls are there in the school, and part B is asking how many girls have long hair. For part A, you're going to have to find the fraction of girls in the school. For that, you're going to have to take 1, which is the total number of students in the school, minus 3/7, which is a fraction of boys. Now, in order to minus a whole number with a fraction, you're going to have to make it a common denominator. At the same time, it has to equate to 1. And the way to do it will be 7 divided by 7, which is going to give you a value of 1. The reason why I chose 7 is because the denominator for the fraction of boys is 7. And you copy the fraction of boys like this. 7 minus 3 will give you the value of 4/7. And this is the fraction of girls in the entire school. Now, one thing you have to know is that if you multiply a fraction with the total number, it will give you a physical value, like physical values such as number of girls, number of apples, kilograms, and whatnot. So with that being said, we know that our physical value, according to the question, is 130. And the total is the total number of students that we are after. But 130 is, if you read the question, say 130 more girls than boys. It's basically a difference between the boys and the girls. And the fraction to complement that has to be the difference between the boys and the girls. And the way to get it would be fraction of girls minus fraction of boys. The reason why I say my fraction of girl first before the boys, we know for the fact that according to the question, there are more girls than boys. Since the denominator is same, we can take 4 minus 3 will give you 1/7. And this fraction, we plug it into this fraction here. So we put it 1/7 like this, multiplied by total. Now, you multiply this by 7, you get rid of this. Whatever you do on the left-hand side, you do the same thing on the right-hand side. So the total would be 130 times 7. If you work it out, 0, 7 times 3 is 21. 7, 8, 9, which is 910. So this is 910 students in the school. But we need to know the number of girls in the school. We'll use the same proportion formula, which is fraction times total will give you your physical value, the number of girls. So this is what we are after right now. We know that the total now is 910. And the fraction, since we want girls, we're going to have to take the fraction of girls, which we established is here, 4/7. Now, if you multiply, let's work this again, 1910 times 7. Or rather, this is division actually, 910 divided by 7. 1, 7, 1. This is 2, 1, which is gives you 3 and 0. This is 310, 130, I'm sorry. So 130 times 4, 0, 3 times 4 will give you 2. And the 1, you bring it down here, 520. So this is 520 girls in the school. And this is the part A's answer. That's how I get that. Now, the questions in part B asks how many girls have long hair, but it tells you that 1/5 of the girls have short hair. Now, in order to get the fraction of girls with the long hair is pretty straightforward. You're going to take 1 minus 1/5 will give you the fraction of girls with short hair. Again, to satisfy 1 and at the same time keep the denominator the same, we're going to take 5 divided by 5, which gives you a value of 1. And then the reason why I chose 5 is because this guy's denominator is 5, so 1/5. And this will give you a value of 4/5. This is the fraction of girls with long hair. And as we have established, we take fraction times total will give you your physical value itself. We know the fraction of girls with long hair is that. So we take 4/5. And we know the total number of girls in the school from part A is 520. So we multiply that by 520. We'll get our physical value, which is the girls with long hair. Now, if you work this out, 520 divided by 5, 1, 5, 0, 2, 0, 0, 5, multiple, that's 4, right? 104. And if you take 4 times 104, 4 and 4 is 16. 1, 4. So the total number of girls with long hair is 416 girls with long hair. And this is part B's answer.